Today we are on day 6 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints, as we are on the hunt for this Halloween themed trophy. And in order for me to receive that Halloween themed trophy, I have to find a design, which is linked in the description box below of every video that we do this month, as well as slice it, film it, print it, edit it, and get it up on a daily consistent basis. I have to make it all 31 days in order for you to receive that trophy. So with these being Halloween themed, they can be anything from horror, spooky, props, anything that can be used as Halloween decoration as well. Now here we have the Resident Evil keys. Let's get into this video. Now that the prints are done, I'm going to showcase one of the keys for size comparison, which is pretty accurate to a standard old-fashioned key. This is the shield key. Every day that goes by is becoming a little bit more and more challenging when it comes to time constrictions, and I want to go bigger later through the series to challenge myself a little bit further, but right now I'm trying to build consistency for you guys so I can be on time with all these colors. But if you guys are enjoying the series so far, make sure you guys do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel so you guys can see some of the bigger things that we can do here at Cosine, Additive, and all the other projects that we're working on as well, and get to meet the team. I will catch you guys on tomorrow's video for another Halloween themed print.